Okay, so just to do one little short video on putting some sense of the scale of an atom. And to do this, I kind of like to have a look at the simulation. It's called the Scale of the Universe 2. If you just Google search the Scale of the Universe 2, and I'll actually put the link on the OneNote page as well. So it's pretty easy to use. All we've got to do is zoom in and out. And, you can take your time, you can explore this, and you can go right out if you want. I'm going to start from around here, so it's around human, around the order of human beings. And I'm going to move in pretty quickly because I don't want it to take too long. So hopefully you'll see there we've got a square inch, a matchstick, a microwave length, whatever that is. The width of a human hair is this big. Of course, we have to zoom in. Every ring that we're passing is about an order of 10 times smaller than the previous part. That's the screen here. So right now, I'm down to human egg with hair. Okay, so here we go, a skin cell. This is where I was. Okay, a skin cell is there, and a red blood cell is around here. Okay, and the reason I wanted to mention those two things is because blood cells and white blood cells and the cell nucleus is often confused with the nucleus of an atom. And of course, they are not the same thing at all. Nucleus just means the center of something. It just so happens that we use the same word when it comes to an atom. So you can see if we move on down, we get to the order of bacteria and viruses. And this here, phospholipid bilayer, you may know this one from biology. This is basically the skin that goes around the cell. That's the chemicals that go around the cell. So a cell, compared to the stuff that makes it up, is huge. It's really, really big. So now we're getting down to it. Okay, an atom, well, they change in size a bit. And I do apologize that quality is not brilliant on this, but you can kind of make out that this one here is a carbon atom. Hopefully you can see that. Here we've got what looks to be Mickey Mouse, but it's actually a water molecule. So you've got oxygen here, there's two hydrogens here and here. Now, please bear in mind, there's a hydrogen atom, there's a helium atom. This is the order that we're talking about when it comes to atomic structure. Okay, it comes to electrons, neutrons, and protons. And you can see that the electrons orbit the nucleus of the atom here. For a hydrogen atom, hydrogen, of course, being the simplest atom of all, because it's only got one proton in the center. Helium atom is the next largest, with two protons, two red ones, and two grey ones, which are two neutrons. Hopefully you can make that out. So that's the order of size that we're talking about. Please feel free to explore this thing, this simulation. It's really, really nice. I just learned recently that it was made by two twins who were in school, basically, when they made this. So if you can see, as I reverse back out, red blood cell being one of the smallest cells in the human body. That is hundreds of times bigger, thousands of times bigger than the size of what we're talking about here at an atomic level. Okay, and please do bear in mind the model of the atom has changed down through the years, but we'll come to all that another time.